Hello guys, it's Tessie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel, AllthingsTessyE. So today's video is me trying to do the individual faux locs. This is my first attempt. My hair is already been washed, stretched. So I'm doing the wrapping method, okay? After watching tons and tons of video on YouTube, I say, okay, let me give it a try. So this is my first attempt, okay? So if you see at the beginning of the video, I showed the hair I use. I bought 5 packs, but I ended up using 4, which at the end was too much for me. So I took out some because the hair was too full. I don't like full hair. So when you see at the back, I fast forward most part of the back because I don't want the video to be too long. So when I get to the front, I slow it down so that you can see in real time the method I use. I would say as a first attempt, let me just tell you something. My grip and my wrapping game is not all that yet, but as a first attempt, I think I did a pretty good job, if I say so myself. Okay, let me just hype myself up a minute. Okay, I tried. And if you want to do this hairstyle as a first timer like myself, I will advise you will do it on the weekends, because I spent 7 hours doing this hair. Okay, at the end I was exhausted. And please, if you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing, like, and leave a comment down below in the comment section, and also share this video, share to your friends. So the struggle of the unraveling and wrapping was real, because I was tired and I don't want to leave the hair. I don't want to wait another hours or wait to the next day. So I said, let me just finish up. So I was struggling, tired, and trying to finish up the hair, which I did. I was super proud of myself with the end result. All right guys, see you on my next video.